Welcome to the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. Today we're going to go through how to use supplemental member numbers on the merchant portal. First, when logged on to the merchant portal using the credentials given, click Quick Actions to the top of the page and click Add a Member. When adding a member, in this scenario, it's going to be a spouse, so a husband and wife that each want their own card number, but they want the points to go to the same account. So you would enter in the first card number to the top in the member number field and enter in the profile information. And then you can scroll down to the bottom and add in the second additional card to go to the same account. After you click Add Member, if either of those spouses use their cards, they're going to go to the same account. Next, if you already have a current member that wants to either add a card or add a spouse, you can use it by using the top right search bar and searching for the member that you want to look up. When the member's information comes up that you're looking for, you can simply click View by their name, and then you'll see their information. If you want to add a supplemental member number to the account, you can do so by clicking on Supplemental Member Numbers, and then to the bottom, type in the member or the card number that you want to add, or it could be a phone number too, and click Add. You'll get a successful added supplemental member number message that lets you know that it went through A-OK. Thank you for watching this Repeat Rewards training video. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 866-268-4958 or email in to merchantservices@repeatrewards.com.